So the kind of research I'm doing is based on trying to target RNAi to specific cell types in vivo. And I got into the field right when there was a lot of hype around RNAi, and people started recognizing that one of the major hurdles for actually taking RNAi the next step into the clinic was delivery, and how to actually target specific cell types in vivo, and also how to get the siRNAs into the cytoplasm of target cells. And so at that point, I decided to join the lab of Bruce Salinger at Duke University, who was working with this really exciting technology, which is Aptamer or Celix technology. And I decided to see whether aptamers could be used to deliver siRNAs to target cells. And so it started there, and then we've made more progress based on that. And I have many people to thank. Bruce is definitely one of the first people I needed to thank, because he recognized the potential in me to sort of drive these projects that were a little bit stagnant in his lab at the time. And he also introduced me to the society, to the Gene Therapy Society, which I remember, I think it was like 6 or 7 years ago. I came to the first meeting, and I was extremely excited. It opened up my passion for science. I was like, this is what I want to be doing for the future. So he's definitely the first person I need to, acknowledge as a mentor. But as I said, I've been extremely lucky. I've had other mentors, such as Bev Davidson at the University of Iowa, and John Rossi has probably been one of the, the biggest mentors in terms of the field, who's just taken me and sort of introduced me to other investigators and other meetings, allowed me to give presentation at other meetings, included me in grant applications with him, so in collaborative efforts. And he actually was the first one to see the excitement in the aptamer technology for delivery of RNAi, and apply it to his own work, which is based on HIV and how to deliver therapeutic siRNAs to cells that are infected with HIV. So I would say definitely John Rossi I would highlight as a great mentor. So I think what it means to me is that the society, the Gene Therapy Society, has actually oversees what I'm doing as something really of great potential. And so that means a lot to me, because as I mentioned, when I first started working here, coming to the society, I was really excited about the work that was ongoing, and I wanted to contribute to the society and to better the society. So I think that's sort of what it means to me. My biggest dream is to give back what others have done for me. So mentoring the new investigators who are coming into the society. So I've joined the mentorship program here, and I think last year was the first time they had that, and I participated last year and decided to do it again this year. And I was really thrilled at how the program went last year, and also how the mentees that I had for last year have actually kept in touch with me throughout the entire year. And they will contact me via email. They're very comfortable. They will ask me about my input on their projects, on their papers, where to send their papers, on career moves that they have to make. So I've had a lot of contact with everybody that was on my team last year, and I'm hoping that the same will be true this year with the new mentees that I'm about to meet. And so I definitely want to give back, and mentoring to me is the most exciting thing that I do in my career. I would say it gave me the opportunity, first of all, it gave me the passion for doing what I'm doing and for pursuing my dream of academic research. At the beginning, I was hesitant whether to stay in academia or go to industry. And so I think that really finalized it when I came to these meetings and recognized the potential that I could do by staying in academia and having my own program and my own insights into the next steps into the gene therapy field. It also allowed me, as I mentioned, when I first started coming to the society, I was allowed to, or I was selected as one of the, for one of the oral abstracts, I believe, and presented the first piece of work that was published on the aptamer siRNA chimera technology, which used an aptamer to deliver RNAi to specific cell types like cancer cells. And it was at that point that I realized that people, or important members of the society, recognized who I was and the kind of work that I was doing, and then contacted me. And actually that's how I got my first faculty position at the University of Iowa, because Bev Davison came up to me and said, send me your information and your resume. Would you be interested in coming here for an interview? And that gave me my first faculty position. The only way I can possibly describe it is if you see the path, and all of a sudden you see the yellow road, and you just go for it. And this is what the society has done for me.